So far, we've written our programs in a text editor and then manually compiled them and ran them from the command line. While we can write our programs this way, it isn't very efficient. In this section, I'm going to introduce you to my favorite IDE, IntelliJ. Before we do that though, I want to take a minute and discuss choosing the right tool for you. Just because a particular tool works for me, such as IntelliJ, it doesn't mean it's the right tool for you. You should really take this opportunity to test out different text editors and IDEs and find one that you really enjoy working with. At the end of the day, these tools are made to make you a more efficient programmer. You're going to be working with this tool every single day, so it's important that you feel comfortable with it. In the next lesson, I've included an article that has a list of text editors and IDEs. I would encourage you to take this time and test a few of them out. With that said though, let's continue in this section and install IntelliJ IDEA.